Hello, today we are going to be doing dual chrome eyeshadow. We are going to get fancy on that beat. Let's get into it. I really want to utilize this one right here. So we are going to put on like a gorgeous white base. I'm going to use marshmallow here. And we are going to put that right on our eyelid. That way it's got a good background for the dual chrome. So now I'm going to go in with this brush right into this color right here, and we are going to do like a little outline. You will see. I like to bring it out like that. That way it just really shapes and like kind of lifts my eye. Gorgeous. This is my first time using this palette. I am liking it so far. It is very, very nice. I remember growing up, there was this gorgeous little makeup shop and they always carried Too Faced products. And now I finally get to have them. So now I'm going to go in with my finger on the plum pudding, the one I've been looking at, waiting for. I'm really hoping it's as beautiful as I hope it to be. It's definitely sheer, but it is definitely dual chrome, so we're working with it. Let's get lots on there. I love dual chrome right now. Oh, okay, going twice, and that is nice. Didn't even mean to rhyme. Oh, I love it. I love it. People were like kind of ripping this eyeshadow kit apart on Sephora, but I love it. This is totally meant for me. This is gorgeous. I love dual chrome right now. I'm nuts about dual chrome. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is nice sugar and spice. I hope everyone's having a wonderful holiday season. It has been pretty decent over here. Now I'm going to use this little brush again, and we're going to go with the licorice twist, and we're going to just kind of highlight the outer edges, make it more of like a smoky eye. Is that ever beautiful? It's way nicer than what I was expecting, to be honest with you. Like, I was really ready for this, like, not to look good, not to be good at all. The reviews really had me shook, but this outcome, like, I don't know if you can see it very well, but I can see it in the mirror, and I'm like, wow. Like, I just want to keep putting more. I like it so much. I was even gonna like possibly put some like cute little sparkles on and everything that I just got. Like, I just got this beautiful Danessa Merrick's stuff, and it's really cool. It's like cool toppers and stuff, and I was gonna put that on it to make it shine extra bright. I don't need to. This is wonderful. All right, so I'm gonna put just a little bit of dark right here. Kind of have that beautiful ombre effect follow through. There we go. There we go. So I'm going to do just a little bit of like eyeliner. I like to use like my blackest eyeshadow from my Natasha Denona palette. I love this palette. I mean, you can obviously tell I am dipping into it. This is my favorite color. Again, it is dual chrome, so that's what I am about. Let me find the brush I need. Found the brush. It is very thin. This is the only way I really like to put on eyeliner, to be honest with you. I'm using the blackest black. That's exactly what it's called in the Natasha Denona palette. I love it. And then I'm going to just go in very, 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 very lightly. You can see you do not need much. Other side now. Lovely. I'm just going to even it out just a smidgen bit. Lovely. Now we got to even out this side. So close. Perfect. Now I'm going to add some mascara. So I will not buy full-size mascaras anymore because I bought the Lancome, the waterproof one. I hate it. I don't know why I hate it, but I just don't like it. It's really popular too. So now I like to rely on my Sephora samples. I buy a lot of Sephora. Well, my husband buys it for me. And I like to do this mixture of, I can't find my full one, or the one that's open. Oh, yes, there it is. So I like to do a mixture. I put this one on first, then I do the Isla. Love this one. It just helps really bring things forward. Like, look at this brush. Can you see that? See that there? It really helps separate your eyelashes. So that's really, really nice and super, super useful. And then if I want them to be nice and big, I use this at the end. So yeah, here we go with the mascara. So as you can see, this makes my eyelashes super, super, super long. I love using that technique in the 3 different kinds of mascara. But you know, you do what you need to do to make it work. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.